Usembut Menteri Rangwa Khuborjylla bak Prestone tensong mentakasngi ulapan benar Ïing Dorbar pakasor Khuborjylla kan sapli no Shen ya ka Meghalaya House Bathomai ka badon ha Bangalore. Haba jubab hadian ke jenyatai halor ka cut motion hakasngi balang ubak Prestone ulapan tibru ba un sasyong bishar na kabentaki weipat ki Meghalaya House badon mentah ha keleng-keleng. Hakajuk kapor ula betharu yaki officer ban pentikna bakin long ki babha bat ki babiang na kabenta kajingdan kam ki babun balang.
I would like to inform the members of the August House the acquisition of the new Meghalaya House in Bangalore. We already taken over and now the renovation takes place and very soon we are going to inaugurate this new Meghalaya House in Bangalore because lot of demand, lot of letters we received from the government side where from every part of the state, they demanded and they wish that Meghalaya House is established in Bangalore for different purposes that we need on daily basis. So these are the issues which I would like to mention here. And then the repairing of Meghalaya houses, yes, the honorable mover again mentioned that, again, maybe the room is broken, that I will again review wherever needed to be improved. I think we will instruct the concerned officers and the concerned engineers to make sure that that all Meghalaya house is at least in a proper outlook or proper in-look too.